Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another giveaway. This is the Big Jeff YouTube 12K Black Diamond Audio giveaway. I say it over and over. I said every 1,000 subscribers we get on YouTube, we're doing another giveaway. And we are way over 13. And we are announcing the 12K giveaway. And it's going to be with our house brand Black Diamond Audio. For some of y'all that know it, for some of y'all that don't, you'll know now. So we got to step these giveaways up and make them bigger and bigger. So this is what we're going to do. Before I tell you what we're giving away, I want to remind everybody, we were just at the Made of Steel show. We're going to have tons of video coming up on that. So we hope that you show some support. We had crazy stuff going on there, like one of those money blowing around, you got to grab it things. We had different manufacturers there. We were giving away tons of swag. I mean, it was a crazy event, crazy. But what we're going to do now is make sure, if you didn't know, you know about the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast every Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And every week we're bringing out different people, and not just car audio. We're interviewing a bunch of creators that do DJing that support the channel. We have interviewed race car drivers. We have interviewed other podcast people. We have interviewed manufacturers, techs. I mean, this show is great. Each week we're trying to step it up, and that's Thursdays at 7:30 Eastern time at night. And you can watch that on Facebook and or YouTube. So, without further ado, let's talk about the 12K giveaway. And you need to make sure you like this video right now so you don't forget. And you need to make sure you're subscribed, because if you're subscribed, everything we do, you'll know about first. So, the 12K Black Diamond Car Audio giveaway is going to be a full system from front to back. Yes, a full system. So this is for people that don't have a build or have something that they've been wanting to change out, and this is your time. So this one's a big one. We're stepping it up, and then let's just get into it. So the full system we have, and we're going to be showing it on the screen here. To start it off, you got to have mids and highs, and if you have mids and highs, you want to amplify them. So we're doing what we call the Black Diamond Combo 1 Pack, which is going to get you 4 6-inch XT hybrids. That's a Neo Super Tweeter with a full range speaker. You're going to get 4 of those. So fronts, rears, rear deck, wherever, 2 up front, however you want to do it. And then we're going to also throw in, because you got to power that up, let's do it right. That combo comes with a 2,000 watt peak 4-channel, right? So that's called the DIA-K4. It's a 4-channel. On the bottom, it's got plexi. It lights up with LED. It is cool, so you can have a nice display at the same time with your 4 6-inch hybrids. But then you say, hey, Big Jeff, what about the bass? And I say, well, let's do a Black Diamond Combo 3. And what comes with the Combo 3? Well, the first thing is a DIA P2500X1D, right? Okay, big amp. Now we need some boom. Well, we're going to do 2 of the DIA 12S's, single 4-ohm, and you get a 4-ohm and a 4-ohm be a 2-ohm. And why am I doing that? Well, for a newbie, a starter, I'd rather you run 2-ohm on a 1-ohm amp. There's still plenty of power, because this amp does 1,600 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and you only need 1,000 watts. So, big amp, big subwoofers, 4 6s, a 4-channel, ready to rock and roll. How do you win this? This is very important, so you better be watching. First thing you need to do, subscribe to our YouTube. And, you know, if you feel like it, hit up our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere, / Big Jeff Audio, right? Well, here, you got to make sure you subscribe, you click the bell, you like this video. Then go down in the comment section right now. Put your name, your location, and why you should win. And then finally, this is very important. You will need to text the word 12K. 12K, right? And then what number do you text it to? Well, the Big Jeff number. That's 737 Big Jeff. 737-244-5333. And when you text that, you'll get a reply text asking you if you want to be entered, and if so, you'll just send your name and your email, and you're in. That's it. So make sure you comment. Make sure you go ahead and text us, and better yet, share. Why? The more shares, the more subscribers, the more giveaways. I mean, it makes sense. So, listen, I'm Big Jeff. I love doing this. I thank everybody for being a part of this. And guess what? We'll be announcing the winner at the next podcast, right? Next Thursday at 7:03 p.m. Eastern Time. I would say chime in on YouTube, Facebook, doesn't matter. But we'll announce the winner then on top of all the giveaways we do during the podcast. So this is exciting. I'm Big Jeff announcing the start of the 12K YouTube Black Diamond car audio giveaway. We'll see you soon.